All right, going over crypto and how I would approach trading crypto, if you are interested in that, of course. Now, first of all, I want to state that I usually only swing trade crypto, the same with stocks, for example. I might swing trade them, getting actively involved in them, moi, not necessarily. And the reason for that is because crypto in itself, yes, throughout the week, etc., of course, 24/7, there is overall a little bit more volatility. But if you want to trade specific times of volatility, then crypto is not really your go-to, where crypto can really die out for a few weeks and not move anywhere, where Forex indices, more so established markets, move a little bit more consistent as well, in my opinion. So the next thing that I want to go over is that I personally would not use a filtering process trading plan here, meaning that I would not go through Cardano, Bitcoin, Polkadot, Ethereum, Solana, XRP right there to find the best setup right there on the higher time frame, then executing that like delirium. That's not what I would do. If I were to trade crypto, I would more so focus on a flow trading plan where I would make use of the 1 hour a little bit more, executing on 50-minute, 5-minute, and the potentially 1 minute, but I would mainly stick to the 5-minute and the 15-minute itself as well. Now, if it interests people, we can of course look to create a trading plan potentially around crypto alone. That could be quite interesting. Please feel free to let me know as well, and we can touch on that a little bit more. I just want to go over the basics here on crypto. And I have selected a few pairs right here. I've selected a few crypto pairs right there. These are all on Bybit. I mainly trade on Bybit myself. Again, you don't have to choose Bybit. You can choose whatever you feel like. And I've selected the USDT right there. And the way I would go about this is just purely looking from a flow trading plan perspective. Meaning that what higher time frame PD rates can we potentially draw towards? Well, currently we are in a weekly Vervij gap there on Cardano, right there. Can we continue higher off of that? Potentially. Do we have 4 hour Vervij gap supporting the ID? Currently no. Do we have something on the 1 hour potentially? Moi, not really a nice favorable price action currently. So this is when we can move on to, for example, another pair right there. Now, this is exactly what you would do. It's important to understand the time aspect. The time aspect, the higher time aspect, is still going to be linked to the US dollar. Meaning US dollar news events are still going to have impact on the crypto market as well. Especially, of course, NFP, CPI, FOMC. They have just their crazy impact like normal for crypto pairs right there. Kill zone wise, I am, to be honest, not too certain on what kill zone crypto relies on the most. From what I noticed, it's mainly New York as well. But I would just stick to your regular kill zones for Forex, meaning London and New York. That's mainly what I would stick to if I were to trade crypto right here. From 2 to 5 a.m. New York local time, London, and from 7 to 10 a.m. New York local time for my New York session. Then the rest is just, again, simple flow trading plan. These pairs right here that you're seeing there will be a link above this video where you can click on. And when you click on that, you will get to this short list as well that you can just simply copy if you do want to look into it a little bit more. I would always advise though, if you truly want to make your time more worth it in a sense, I would always advise to look at Forex and indices more, because simply more consistency, more volatility overall in the market as well. And that will allow us to have more trade opportunities, better trade opportunities as well. So that is always what I would advise instead of going for crypto. For crypto, what I do like to do, again, like I mentioned in the beginning as well, is that for Bitcoin, for example, if it comes into a weekly Vervij gap, I get the confirmation, I just like to swing it. And swing it more so in a sense that I like to also be more not so strict with it. As in, I like to more so hold it for a longer period of time, almost position trading like, where I hold it for months and months and months. So that is the way I approach crypto personally. So hopefully this makes a little bit more sense as well if you do want to trade crypto. And if it doesn't, of course, then please feel free to let me know and we can work on that as well. Perfect. Thank you.